exercise 1 in our shoulder workout is our dumbbell shoulder press. We're going to drive those dumbbells straight up into the air, bringing the dumbbells together at the top, squeezing our shoulders and eccentrically slowing down the bottom point. Exercise 2 in our shoulders is our lateral fly. Using the dumbbells in a lateral fly, we want to head up, chest up, pushing away from the body. If you feel your traps and neck taking over, then you need to decrease the weight. Just think about pushing away from the body. Exercise 3 in our shoulders workout is a dumbbell front raise. You might want to change your foot stance for this one so your lower back is not engaged and there's no rocking. You want to push through your delts and squeeze the dumbbells in the center of the position.